Who could suppose what together we'll find? With every pair of shoes that we try, we'll have a new adventure, you and I. Where will my feet take me today? Nobody knows for sure. But come for a walk, I'll lead the way to places never seen before. Rest your head, your day is done. Go to sleep, my little one.
Oh, what a busy day. I've been standing at that counter for so long, even my shoes are tired. I'll just rest my feet for a bit in my favourite rocking chair. Oh, I see somebody else is resting on my chair. But I could squeeze in, couldn't I?
I don't think there's enough room.
Oh,
A customer!
hello? What do we have here?
Some of the pearl beading has come off.
No beading round the bush. They'll be fixed by Friday. Franny, could you put these in the fix-it box for me?
Yes, Grandpa! Where will my feet take me today? Ravishing Rajas. This must be India.
It is indeed.
I'm Franny. Do you live here?
I do. My name is Simran.
What are you doing?
I am making a fence.
Flamingos!
Huh? I will need to make my fence much taller.
Hello?
I'm Franny.
Ah, I'm Hardeep. Time for a delicious worm. I know a great spot. Would you like one?
Maybe later, thank you.
Oh, more for me then.
Why don't you get some worms too, Simran?
That part of the pond is too deep for me.
What is that terrible brouhaha? I dropped my worm, thank you very much.
Simran, you're a peacock.
And the muddy one, no thanks to him.
It was an accident.
Always looking for an excuse to show off those long legs.
At least I'm not always fluffing up my feathers.
Phewie, you two aren't being very neighborly.
He's the one that put up all these sticks. Haven't you noticed? You're on the wrong side of the fence. You're standing on my side.
Why does the pond have to have a my side and a your side?
Because they make a mess digging through the mud and they are always splashing and laughing and... I don't think they like me very much. The flamingos never invite me to visit their nests or eat succulent worms with them. So if they don't want anything to do with me, then they shouldn't be allowed to use my side of the pond.
Simran?
I'm quite happy up here by myself, thank you.
Oh.
Some pomegranate seeds would make a nice, refreshing treat, don't you think? Oh. Oh.
Why don't you try flying?
Good idea. Flamingos are good flyers, but our legs are too long for such short branches.
Maybe we can ask Simran to help.
He's too stuck up, proud as a peacock. Did you see that silly fence of his? It's like he doesn't want to have anything to do with us flamingos.
Are you thinking what I'm thinking? I'll just have to get rid of that fence. Simran, Hardeep, come for a picnic. Hardeep, come for a picnic.
Huh? I do fancy a good picnic. But if you don't mind, I'll just stay on my side of the fence.
Fine. Then I'll stay on my side.
Coconut milk. Help yourself. I'm sorry. This picnic isn't very fantastic.
Oh no! Franny, it is great!
Charming. Delightful.
I just wish I had some juicy worms fresh from the pond. And oh, some sweet and refreshing pomegranate. But I can't reach the pomegranates up in these trees. And the pond is too deep for me to dig for worms.
Franny, it would be my pleasure to fetch you a pomegranate.
And I will get you some worms.
Juicy worms. And a juicy pomegranate. Here you go.
But... Huh? May I?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Have a worm, Simran.
Don't mind if I do.
I was in a hurry. You probably won't like it.
I love them. Thank you, Hardeep.
You're welcome, Simran.
Do you think the other flamingos might join us?
Do you think sometime you might be interested in visiting my nest?
I would like that very much indeed. We should make more room for the other flamingos. What do you think, Franny?
I'll help. I have to get back to my grandpa now. Enjoy the picnic.
Goodbye, Franny.
Goodbye. That was fantabulous. A flamingo feather. Another treasure for my shoebox. Hardeep and Simran are going to be best friends.
Who are Hardeep and Simran?
Simran is a peacock and Hardeep is a flamingo in India. Sit down, Grandpa.
But what about your toys?
Don't worry, they know how to share. Go to sleep, close your eyes. Tomorrow's a new day. Go to sleep, close your eyes. Tomorrow we will play. Where will my feet take me tomorrow?